What are you sitting in the driver's seat of?
No, it's driver's seat.
Of what kind of vehicle?
A backhoe! A backhoe! But that's a transmission! A backhoe! I should try to fit a backhoe?
You sure are.
A crane tag?
Asher, who drives backhoe loaders?
A construction worker drives a backhoe!
A construction worker. Are you a construction worker?
Yes!
Yes, you are.
Does the buckle up his seat?
I don't think these have seat belts, but oh, it does. You're right. Safety first.
Seat!
Good job.
Look at the seats. Get the seat out.
The seat belt.
The seat belt out.
Asher, you know what else you need? A hard hat.
Need the hard hat?
Yeah. If you're going to be a construction worker, you have to have a hard hat.
Yes.
Why?
I think so.
Safety first.
Should I just shut the door?
You want to shut the door? All right.
Should I just drive it?
Yeah.
I just drive in it?